Have an MTH file from Derive computer algebra system and need to recover the math? These are saved sessions from Texas Instruments discontinued KS software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to open these Derive math files. Just so you know, the key to the final solution is understanding how to leverage a dedicated, high-value MTH file inspection utility that offers versatile support for countless formats. A data file created by Derive, a now-discontinued computer algebra system from Texas Instruments. Users created these files to save mathematical expressions, equations, 2D, 3D plots, and entire worksheets. The primary user intent is to archive or attempt to recover complex mathematical work. The MTH file is a proprietary binary format designed to efficiently serialize and store the structured mathematical objects and workspace state of a Derive session. This includes symbolic expressions, numerical data, and graphical settings, allowing for perfect recall of the user's work between sessions. The software default for the MTH file type is the solution provided by Texas Instruments' Derive. Document fidelity is only assured when opened with a dedicated program adhering to the standard. Windows has limited support for data structures, so proper viewing depends on matching tools. To unlock the data, right-click the MTH file and select Open With. Test Derive if available. If it's absent, choose another program. We must determine which app can properly read the header. When your MTH file does not open, it is usually a small issue. If your file remains inaccessible, it's typically due to one of three common pitfalls. Let's review this straightforward list of culprits and verify their status right now. First, opening in Derive. Install Derive 6, the final version released by Texas Instruments before discontinuation in 2007. Launch Derive and open MTH files through File, then Open to access symbolic computations, expressions, and plots. Original installations may be available through archived software repositories or use software channels. Next, trying modern CS software. Open MTH files in modern computer algebra systems like Maxima Mathematica or Maple, which may handle some Derive syntax. While direct compatibility is limited, the symbolic content can often be manually transcribed. Maxima offers free open-source CAS capabilities with similar functionality to Derive. Finally, migrating to TI-Nspire. Texas. Instruments position TI-Nspire as Derive's successor, though file formats differ. Manually recreate MTH file content in TI-Nspire CAS software or on TI-Nspire calculators. The newer platform offers continued development and modern features for ongoing mathematics work that Derive can no longer provide. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools, available at filemagick.com. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.